Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Catherine Girl, and today I'm taking you all over Washington. As you can see, right now I am in the middle of a big river and there's a waterfall just up ahead. Stay tuned! Whenever I go to Seattle, I always have to stop off at my favorite ivory shop so I can have fun feeding the seagulls. I also got to go to the Pike Place Market, which is pretty famous and therefore pretty crowded. And I got to see them toss the fish! Since we are hitting most of the tourist attractions in Seattle, we thought we'd hit up the Space Needle as well. So here's a fun video of me going up the elevator inside the Space Needle with a pretty cool view. Someone thought they were so clever putting those stupid, giant, daddy long leg spider sculptures.
Club ate the cookies we buy for Santa Club, right? With that said, we're heading down 520 feet at 10 miles an hour. Now, if we went any further or any faster, I'd be concerned for about a half second, but you know what? Afterwards, I wouldn't have any cares, thoughts, or opinions on the matter, and neither would you. So our Yelp reviews would stay perfect, right? If you have any questions, I'm happy to say it's far too late to ask them. I would have floundered around.
We were canoeing right by the Space Needle, but that lady kept photobombing me. Bigfoot Alert. So this cool spot by the river was at the end of this long hiking trail that we went on. And right here I'm trying to be all cool but looking awkward while I climb over rocks. And just so you know, after this little filming clip, I ended up trying to go too far and I actually slipped and kind of split my foot open, so hiking back up the trail was a little bit more difficult than hiking down was. So I made a friend, and his name is Wesley. He really wanted to be petted, and he was super sweet and fluffy. So I thought you might enjoy this little satisfying video of my fluffy friend here. Awesome! Look at that. Oh, I should keep that one. Hashtag satisfying. So I got to go to a real rodeo, and I thought I would film some of the more exciting events for you guys.
Right there, that's how we do it. Champ, getting a good loose water right there. Friends right in front of you in the grandstand. Give me a little bit of fan power. Frank, get her down, jump in there, buddy. Stay with it. Right here, friends, you know what to do. Two setters on. We're gonna
So apparently, shooting balloons on horseback is actually the fastest growing equestrian sport in the US at the moment. All I know was a lot of fun to watch. So this is what a 4th of July parade in the country looks like. Lots of horses, lots of tractors, and lots of logging cars as well. So, I bet you've never seen two men race up a log before.
1, 2, go.
Behold, the twerking wonder dog. They're not getting high enough. Ooh, that one's better. During our fishing trip, we actually got to see an orca breaching, which was super awesome. So after a cargo ship went right by our little fishing boat, this lovely wake wave appeared. And I felt like I was in one of those movies where you watch the waves slowly approach. But it wasn't quite as bad as I thought it would be. I got to feed some fishies! So these are some rainbow trout at this special hatchery, and these were all so big. My dad kept saying how I wanted to eat these guys because they look so tasty. That is a real fishtail and real scales and fins.